Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a degree symbol in Google Docs. There are three ways to do that. So first, you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing the Alt key on your keyboard. Press Alt and then followed by 0176 on the numeric key, and it will create something like this on your screen. So if you're using a laptop, usually you have to press Alt and then Fn, and then you have to follow it by 0, 1, 7, and 6. That will create this tiny degree symbol in your document. So that's the first method. The second method is by inserting a special character. So just go to the insert menu, click special characters, and on the search bar, you can type degree. You'll find this character. Just click on it to insert that into your document, just like that. So that was the second method, but there is another method that I think will save you a lot of time in the long run. By that, I mean we're going to add some substitution to your document. Just go to Tools, Preferences, and Substitutions. And then here you can type the text or anything you want, and then it's going to be replaced with the degree symbol. So I'm going to type /degree. And for the character that it's going to be replaced is the symbol character, sorry, the degree character. So Alt 0176. And there you go. Click OK. So that will add degree. So it will add /degree into the dictionary, and it will be converted into a normal degree symbol. So I'm going to type /degree, and then I'm going to press spacebar on my keyboard. And there you go. Now, those are three ways to create a degree symbol in your Google Docs document. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.